Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. And the first what you can do is to restart your audio player. Maybe it's a problem of this player, so let's say you use Apple Music or Spotify or something else, it's the same. Just remove it from the cache and open it again. Then check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should check if you have the last software version. So open the application, and right here at the bottom we have update firmware. Tap on it and it check for updates. It said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one, and it also can fix your problem. Also, what I recommended to do, you can restart your device and maybe it fixes your problem. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case, and then at the bottom of the charging case we have this connection button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed red 3 times slowly. 1, 2, 3. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device in your Android, and after factory reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Now tap on it to connect them. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!